Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you, and I'm just gonna try and do a quick recap video for how the challenge went today. And obviously, yeah, you probably saw or are aware I'm doing a trading challenge with Patrick, and it's kind of a sitcom show. It feels like a little bit. I'm trying to take it seriously, and I'm trying to just trade the same way that I would trade without it. I'm not really changing my size, anything. To me, I'm going to treat this challenge as a marathon, or at least not as a sprint. I mean, it appears like Patrick is going to try and do this challenge in 2 days. And if he can, that's great. Kudos to him. My hat's off to him. But it's not how, it's just not for me. I'm not going to trade with that big a size and that big a risk. But hey, if he can do it, again, props to him. But for me, so I was not looking to take a trade this morning. We had news this morning at 8:30, and just it was really volatile for me. Too volatile for me to be taking trades in this mess. But I did take my first trade right here at the 73s, 72s on this break of trend. And I'm still kind of upset at myself for trailing my... So I hit my first profit target, and then I should have given my runner a little bit more wiggle room, and I was trailing it pretty tight, and it did one of those wick down and stopped me out. And then it obviously had a huge move. Now, in reality, my target, I would have taken profit here at the 600s, but left quite a bit of money on the table on that one. Then we had this move higher. We pulled back, and I entered long here. It's kind of hard to see, but I did enter on a long right here, and we immediately kind of pulled back from it, and I just killed the trade immediately, which I was very glad that I did. Basically took a very small loss there. As soon as we broke this channel, took another entry right here, and we took profit right here again. Could have got a lot more out of it. The volatility was still high, and I was being a little bit impatient and trying to, try not to let trades go against me and trailing them pretty tight. Took another trade right here on this pullback, and entered long again right here. Took my first profit right here and had my stop at break even on this trade, and we got stopped out on break even, and then it continued lower. And we took another trade right here. On this trade here, I was a little unfortunate. I thought I had 2 contract size, which I like having just to get a runner going, and it was only 1 contract, so just took my profit at my first target, and we were not able to get a runner going on that. And here, again, entered a long right here and took my profit right here. So nothing really that earth-shattering today. It is what it is. Again, obviously, you can see my account balance right here, right above me. We ended the day $636.66 in profit, and I'm just going to show my TradeZella. Basically, this was my trades today. Took a total of 7 trades. And yeah, that's the results for me. And I'm okay with it. Obviously, it's not anything major. But we're kind of starting in nice and slow. Now, Patrick, I took a screenshot of what Patrick, what he ended up the day with. So he ended up the day $4,005.70 in profit. So obviously he had a great day, and kudos to him. Good job, Patrick. Nice trading. I didn't really watch or listen to any of it. Probably a good thing. It was probably pretty unbearable, I'm sure, but congratulations on a good first day of trading. But it's not over yet. The challenge was to the first to pass And obviously, you can't have more than 50% profit in a day. So I don't think he's going to be able to pass tomorrow because he would need to have 5,000 in profit, which would put him over that 50%. So looks like we'll be going at least a couple more days. So I guess we'll see. But yeah, I really do want to shout out Patrick. He showed his entries and exits. As far as I know, he showed his account balance. He did everything that we agreed to. So kudos to you, Patrick. I do appreciate that. Thank you. And he also donated $300 to my channel today. I guess I'll say thank you to that. Now, he kind of took liberty to snapshot that dono and then try and make fun of me with it on Twitter. That's just, it seems like he has to do that to stoke his ego. But I guess whatever floats your boat. But I do appreciate the dono and thank you. But yeah, we'll go back at it tomorrow. Thanks everyone for tuning in. And again, good luck, Patrick. And we will see what happens tomorrow. All right. Take care. And God bless.